Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to install WPS in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First open your favorite browser and search for WPS. Hit enter. Now you will see the official website for WPS. It is www.wps.com. Click on that link. Now here we have the download button. Just click on this download button to download. It will start automatically download. So you can see it is started downloading. Let's wait till download complete. So we have downloaded it successfully. Let's install. For that, open it into folder. So it is an exe file. Double click on this file to install. Then here you can see the checkbox. You have to select this checkbox and click on install now. So it will started downloading. So we have installed it successfully. Now let's get started. So you need to just click on this checkbox and click on get started. So it will start. Let's just close this. Now here you can see all the options like files, documents, all the slides, sheets and PDF. So in this way you can install WPS in Windows 11 operating system.